Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath, and here is our extra help. I took off one of the pictures, so I would just go to Google. I'm really into exercise, and I'm really liking jogging lately, so I'll go into images, but I won't stop here. I'm going to go into tools, and then I want usage rights and labeled for reuse. Alright, so here's the pictures. This is the one I had found before. So now I'm just simply, I can click on it, right click it, copy the image, come back, right click, and paste it. Now I can resize this, and I'm trying to keep my columns lined up. So one of the problems I ran into was it's kind of overlapping here. Now I could just move this down a little and it's close, but I wanted to show you another option. I could right click this, and in order I can either send it backward and it goes back just a little bit, or I can right click on order and send it to the back, and it's all the way behind everything else. So now my columns are starting to line up. This one I might want to come over just a tad more, and now I've eliminated all the white spots. So the lines don't have to be perfect, but we are trying to generally have about 3 columns. So that's how you can search for an image, copy and paste an image, and then obviously one of the things we talked about is the usage rights. Make sure we're doing that as well. So there's your extra help, and I hope that is helpful. Good luck.